Hi guys! In today's video, I will show you how you can make DIY VR headset with hand tracking using only phone and webcam. Let's start. Firstly, head over to Google Play Store. Search Gyroscope Test and download it. I have it downloaded. Let's open it. As you can see, this phone has gyroscope and accelerometer, so it is compatible. You can click Test button to test out gyroscope. Okay, it works great. Now we can head over to Google Play again and download Ivory app. I have it downloaded, so I'll just open it. As you can see, it's trying to connect to PC. Let's get to it right now. Let's open up Steam. Okay, head over to Shop tab and search for Ivory. Click on the first one and download it. Okay, it has finally downloaded. Let's open it. Okay, now we can open up our Ivory app on phone and connect it. I will open it right now. Okay, it has successfully connected. As you can see, I have poor internet connection. It is recommended to use USB. Okay, I connected it through USB and turned on USB tethering on my phone. As you can see, it's better now. We have successfully set up VR headset. Let's set up Driver Quattro VR so we can get hand tracking. Let's turn off everything. Okay, now head over to OpenDriver VR Discord server, where you can download Driver Quattro VR for free. Link is in description. Let's download the Chrono version. Save it to downloads. And also download Name Something Launcher. Okay, I will come back to you guys when it will download. Okay, it is downloaded. Let's unpack everything. Open up Driver 4 VR folder and launch Installer exe. Let's click Register Drivers and then close. Okay, now let's go to the other one and launch it. Go to Steam tab. And then right-click on Driver 4 VR and Properties. Now we need to set the localization of the files. Let's get the folder path where Driver 4 VR is localized. And paste it into Game exe tab and add Driver 4 VR XES like I did. In Start folder, just paste the path that we copied before without any changes. Now we can run it. Of course, SteamVR isn't launched, so it won't connect to it. But now we don't need the launcher, because it will launch every time when SteamVR is launching. If you have this error, I will show you how to fix it on troubleshooting at the end of the video. Okay, let's try again. Okay, great. It is working. Now connect it to your phone. Okay, SteamVR has launched and Driver 4 VR with it. Perfect! Now we can start with hand tracking. Okay, in Hand Tracking tab, select Webcam, Machine Learning. Now click Configuration and select your camera. Okay, now click Start. It is detecting my camera. Let me move it and test it. As you can see, it is working great, but we have a little problem. See that controllers are pointing down? I will show you how to fix it on troubleshooting at... Okay, let's get to some troubleshooting. If you have this error, simply go to Task Manager and look for adb.ac and terminate it. Then click Now. It will launch SteamVR without problems. But then you need to go to Setting and activate all drivers that SteamVR has disabled. Okay, now I will show you how to fix hands that are pointing down. Go to Utilities. Click Controller Shift Offset and change pitch value to 200. Now it's fixed. Thanks for watching and of course, pozdrawiam Rencistov. If you still encounter problems, feel free to ask us on Discord. The voice was generated by Mexicano AI, so it can be very pizza and pasta. Please subscribe and like for more. Oh, you are still watching this? I thought while editing this video that you would want to get a full version of Ivory for free, because normally after some playing the screen will be only black and white. To get it, simply search CreamInstaller on Google. On GitHub, press Releases tab and download newest release. Okay, let's launch it. Make sure that you select Ivory and then click Save, Load, and then OK. OK, now click Generate and Install. OK, it has successfully installed. Now you have full version of Ivory installed. Good luck in making your own VR headsets. Please share it on our Discord that is in description.